Welcome to Tech Repair Solutions. Today I am going to show how to repair Face ID. When the Face ID option is disabled, it's problem related to TrueDepth camera. I'm going to fix it without soldering. I will use JCID Face ID tag to solve this problem. First of all, what happens to this phone? Let's go to check. There is a problem with the TrueDepth camera. Here, as you can see, Face ID doesn't work. It's gray, which means that this phone's Face ID option is disabled. I will be using this JCID machine and we need a FaceTime plug. And also use the JCID Face ID tag. I have already opened the phone to save time. We need this front camera FPC. Before lift up the front camera FPC, we will turn off the phone and disconnect the battery connection. I use glue removable alcohol to lift up nicely. We need to open the phone again. Now I use JCID Programmer Machine. Here is available X to 14 Pro Max. Select your phone model. Connect the TrueDepth camera with JCID. Here the procedure is the same for all phones. You just follow my instructions. There is a point that if the chip and NTC are abnormal, you can't use this method. You can see all results are abnormal. We're going to fix it and it will be normal. Now I connect a high-power charging connector. Here charging adapter voltage should be a minimum of 18 volts. Now I connect the phone to the JCID programming machine. When the phone is connected, the charging will start and you have to click on the trust button of the phone. You can see here is option activation. Press activation. Verify all the options. You can see all the green marks. The phone connection is OK. Original Face ID is OK. Fast charge is OK. Network or Wi-Fi is OK. If anything is missing, it shows the red crossing. Now select Ensure. And wait a few seconds. Activation is processing. Yeah, it activated. See, it's become green. OK, activation is finished. Press Exit. Press Red to copy the information. Now take off the front camera FPC. Now we need to use JCID Face ID tag. Connect the JCID Face ID tag to the JCID. See, there is no information in this tag. Everything is abnormal now. Now press Burn to pass the information to the new Face ID tag. Press again Ensure. Yeah, it's done to fix Face ID FPC. Now attach the tag with a TrueDepth camera connector. Please show me how I attach it. I check again to verify. See, now everything is back to normal. It should work fine now. Let's go check it by connecting it to the phone. Switch on the phone. See, now Face ID option is enabled. Yeah, it's working fine. Face ID detected, message removed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.